Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Nobody Plays Spider-Man, and in this episode, more story. So I had to swing around a bit just to get it triggered. But now it's here. Hey MJ! What if I kinda throw any ethical question at you? Is it okay to give up on a friend? Oh wow, Pete. Thinking of Otto? Kinda obvious, huh? Yeah, understandable though. A high-minded, generous part of me. You want to say never. Being a true friend means being there, even when people lose the way. But with what Otto's done, I just don't know, Pete. I guess I have to decide if the Otto Octavius I knew is still in there, or maybe if he was ever really in there at all. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, MJ. Gotta process some stuff, I think. Call me anytime, Pete. I'm here for you. Excited. I'm gonna cut to the next part then, when it's here. Back on, right? Check, check, check. Okay. Okay, now the story's back. Okay. You can grab Scorpion, but I see him face. And, like, you can afford a quick to piss off the feast. Missed me, bitch. This episode hasn't been going on for long, just small bit of editing here and there at the beginning. Not too much. Just like, hey, what am I do nothing? We're over here. Until Miles gets back, the best thing we can do is keep everyone fed. Oh, Peter, it's so good to see you. How are you? Healthy? I'm good. How are you holding up, May? Good, but busy. Oh, let me get. Oh, there. I'm okay. Did you tell me something once, but accepting that I'm human just like everyone else? You and Ben. Masters at turning my own words against me. I'm fine, Peter. Just a little run down. Where's Miles? Could he help? Oh, he is. He's off picking up medical supplies from a relief center. It's amazing how quickly we get through antibiotics. Okay. You stay off your feet for a bit. Organize the unloading and checking on Miles. Deal? Deal. Give me a chance to nurse my wounded Parker pride. Come on, Miles, answer. Don't make me worry about you and May. Good. Is the game capturing sound? Elgato? Are you doing it? I'm not speaking yet, so yeah, you are. Quiet. So much for a milk run. How did a bunch of convicts even do this? Looks like an exploding bulldozer went through here. I can't turn back. If he sneezes those antibiotics. Yeah, big guy here. Hacking app should work. Better hurry. Suit. Gosh, man. Big one.
Should be able to hop that wall.
Oh.
Medical containers in that tent.
Maybe
This will be easy.
Maybe this will be easy. I wish, Miles. I wish. Gauze? Iodine?
No antibiotics.
But no antibiotics.
Need to keep looking.
God damn it, I didn't want you to crash into the box if I was tripping over this damn stable body. Shit.
More supplies over there. Need to get past.
I didn't want to step on the glass, but I also didn't want to keep... I also wanted to make sure he wasn't spotting me, but hey. Jesus Christ.
Crossing fingers.
Planted. Crossing fingers.
Trauma kids.
Couple
No
trauma kids.
antibiotics.
No antibiotics.
Be somewhere.
Gotta be somewhere.
Gotta avoid that sniper.
Gotta avoid that sniper. Jeez, I hate these two stealth sections. Miles and MJ are just the worst at this.
More supplies.
More supplies.
Come on, Crate, be the one.
Come on, Crate, be the one.
Amoxicillin.
Amoxicillin. Perfect.
Is a very large.
That's a very large man. Sable, you're sucking at this. I found the exploding bulldozer. Supply routes and schedules. No! Yakuza! Gentlemen. I apologize. My associate is inelegant. He doesn't understand the fine art of persuasion. Stop! Little dog! Little dog! Did not need to see that. You couldn't jump up with the other foot. What was that? Check it. Now.
Don't think he saw me.
Don't think you saw me.
Time to get out of here.
Time to get out of here. No, I definitely saw you. Whoever here, come out! I have no time for this. We're having fun with lights now. I will have fun with your face. Whoop! Come out! I promise not to crush you. Please don't see me. Please don't see me. What are you? Woo!
Forward is right past him.
Move forward, right past him. Driving my patience. No! Come out. No!
Wait for it.
Wait for it. I do not need this. How far can you go down? You just go stand there. Go. Safe area. Oh, close. Oh, you! Gotta get out of here.
Be getting close to the exit.
Gotta be close to the exit. So I thought this was the part where he's gonna be coming out. Oh, wait, I almost got about this part. Where are you? Holman! Okay, I gotta get out of here. No hiding!
Maybe if I get up there, I'll see.
Maybe if I get up there, where I find you, I will crush you! Yeah, that's my exit. You cannot hide! Go, 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 go.
Get him to clear the opening.
You can get him clear the opening. Come out! He's just really pissed. Nice trying to get out of the way. Go, 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 go! Shit. It is Chase of Goose. I hate Chase of Goose. Huh. I probably use that for the title, if I remember it.
Should let me know I have these.
Just let me know I have these.
Get off me!
Get off me!
Just give us the wall!
Just give us your what? Give it to us, man!
Help!
Help!
Hey, leave him alone!
Hey, leave him alone!
Big mistake, kid.
Big mistake, kid.
You can't just push people around.
You can't just push people around like that.
Or what?
Or what?
Like this?
Like this? Oh no.
Kid's got guts.
Kid's got guts. Squared. Hip squared.
What the hell's he saying?
What the hell's he saying?
Not gonna be saying anything.
Not gonna be saying in a second. Whoa.
You wanna taste?
You want a taste?
Nah, I'm good, kid.
No, I'm good, kid.
Wanna taste?
Want a taste?
I gotta work on my fight.
I'll go with my fight banner. Miles? Hey, I've been trying to reach you. You okay?
Hey, so,
Hey, so,
don't freak out.
don't freak out, but,
I gotta fill you in.
I got a feeling on some stuff. Nah, I love that suit. It's like the second best suit in the game. It just doesn't fit in at all. Their combat moves stay above enemies.
Incredible work, Miles.
Incredible work, Miles.
Close to feast.
Stay close to feast.
Convicts get desperate.
If the convicts get desperate,
They
they may try to raid the shelter. Way ahead of you. Anything else happens to you? I'll let you know. Great.
Thanks, Miles.
Thanks, Miles. Now what?
Yuri, figured out Rhino's
Here,
deal.
figure out Rhino's
He's
deal.
attacking
He's
Oscorp's
attacking
relief
Oscorp's relief centers.
I think I know which one
I
he's
think I
hitting
know which one he's hitting next.
next.
Reports of a possible earthquake and or demolition at the Harlem Center.
Sounds like our boy.
Sounds like our boy.
There now.
Hey there now.
You holding up okay?
You holding up okay?
But hang in
Tired, but hanging in there.
We'll get through this.
We'll get through this.
Faith.
Keep the faith. Can't hear me ever do that at the last second. Bitch. Oh, come on, Sable now, too. Ooh, jeez. I'm swinging on the wall for some reason. I'm always swinging on the wall, but that's not the point here.
What's up? You okay?
Hey, MJ, what's up? You okay?
Coming through
Hey,
Oscorp
come
records.
through Oscorp Records.
Hey,
Hey, this is random, but do you remember that trip we took to Staten Island with Harry?
To find the best pizza
Find
in
the best
the city?
pizza in the city?
10-hour odyssey for burnt toast and cold
Burnt
American
toast and
cheese.
cold
How
American
could I
cheese.
forget?
Something
I
about
said,
his old
sometimes
Oscorp
all
files
Oscorp
made that day pop
times
in
when
my
the day
head.
popped in my head.
Harry was so excited about riding the ferry.
Riding the ferry.
Just made me think about
Just
how
made me
much
think
simpler
about how
things were
simple
back
things
then.
were back then.
No jobs,
No job, no
supervillains.
super villains.
Throw away a
Just
whole
throw
day
the
looking
whole
for
day
bad
looking for
pizza
bad
just
pizza
'cause.
just cause.
Now it feels like
Now it
it
feels like
a
I'm taking a
nap
nap,
and
world to fall apart.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this adult thing is rough.
adult thing is rough.
I guess the work
I
weekend
guess
means today's kids can have their own
kids
Staten
can have their
Island
own Staten
adventures
Island adventures
in safety.
and safety.
Kind of a circle
Kind of
of
a
life thing.
circle of life thing.
Circle of bad pizza.
Circle of bad pizza.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you're right.
That's a good way to look at
That's
it.
a good way to look at it.
Thanks, Pete.
Thanks, Pete. Not trying to get too high, or else snipers, rocket launchers, and everyone with a gun will try to be shooting at me. Like that. Fuck, I got hit. And I got kids running all around the house. Enough with the guns! I just want to swing peacefully, goddamn! Why are there so many people with freaking guns? Jeez, that seemed like I was Sable there. That's definitely Sable. It's blue light. Someone take me a rocket at me? Go catch me, bitch! Oh, this is the safest place to go through a Sable outpost. I kind of swung outwards there for a brief second. Oh, jeez, I almost didn't dodge that at all for some reason. Jesus Christ, I hate swinging around the city like this! I'm here, but I'm gonna leave the episode off here. And do this before anyone else tries. Wait, really? I was at Feast! I swung all the way to the coast. Just to I could swing all the way up into Harlem? Jesus! Well, anyway, I'll end the episode off here. See you all in the next episode, everyone. Bye.